I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and model. This matters because menus vary by firmware. First, plug the washer in and press power. Make sure the display is stable. Once the panel is lit, press and hold the start/pause for 2 seconds only if a quick reset is needed. Now access the main menu using the program or setting button. You want the clock or time option visible. If you see a padlock or child lock icon, disable it now so the controls accept changes. Once the clock option is visible, tap the program or option button repeatedly until you reach clock or time set. Models differ, but the sequence is similar. Use the plus and minus buttons or the main dial to adjust the hour first. Make sure you observe AM versus PM if the display shows it. Then move to minutes and set them precisely. After adjusting both fields, press Start or Select to confirm. On some units, you must press and hold for 2 seconds to save. To finish, press Save or Start so the machine stores the new time. Wait for the display to flash or show a confirmation icon. That tells you it accepted the change. Once saved, verify by turning the unit off and on, then checking the clock again. Make sure repeat adjustments stick. If the time resets or won't save, inspect the battery backup or CMOS area and consider a firmware update or service call. Tip: if settings revert, replace internal backup battery before more troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.